Hello friends, my name is Aman and this is my first YouTube training video. I'm not a expert on everything, but I try to learn by doing these. So this is in this tutorial I am going to guide you how to connect Azure AD and your Windows 10 machine. Now you can, by using this method, you can connect, join and log into your Windows 10 machine by using your Azure AD credential. Now Azure AD credentials are quite same as what you have in your Office 365 account. So for example, I got Office 365 in my organization, so I can use that email address and configure it on any Windows 10 machine and use that particular account to log into my computer. So the question is why you need it. Now if I talk about organization where 100 of users are, so for a system admin it is quite a hectic task to create local accounts on computer for all 100 employees. So the best way is to connect it by using Azure AD. It is quite easy and quite simple. And I have been surprised by number of organizations that have never tried to join Windows 10 device into Azure Active Directory. So first of all, let's talk about what is Azure Active Directory. You have been able to join a Windows device to Active Directory domain as long as there have been Active Directory domains. Now with Windows 10 there is already inbuilt ability to join Azure Active Directory. And what is Azure Active Directory? Azure Active Directory is a multi-tenant directory. So you are not joining a domain, but you are joining a tenant. And I'm sure your organization already got such tenant. Since most of the organization nowadays use Office 365 and same service is used in Intune, and it's quite easy and quite simplified. So what we are going to do, first of all, let me show you my test environment, which I am going to from where I am going to use one account and connect this machine to the Azure Active Directory. Okay, so let's first let me show you something. This is our test domain and test environment. Here you see there are two users. Both are my username. I created two just to test. So we will try to use this one and see if it is going to work. So let's start. First of all, you see everything is here. This is email address, or you can say the login credential that we are going to use. So click on control panel. Not control panel, the new version of control panel. Settings in Windows 10. Go to account. Then in this account, on the left hand side, you will see few options. We need to click on access work or spend. Here you will see there is already one username connected. How we do it, let me show you. And it will going to work. You don't need to worry about it. So what I will do, it is already connected as Aman at umatech.in. So what we will do, we will use the other one. We will use MDM. Okay, so here we are in the settings. I'm going to click on connect and we are going to use this account. So let's copy Here we are going to copy, we click next. Now it is going to search for the organization. It is asking me to enter the password. Now it is trying to configure everything. Now why it is giving me error? Because I already got connected with this account. So that is the only reason. If you configure it, you will definitely get connected. And if you face any trouble, you can write in the comment. I will assist you. Okay, friends, I am back with to test if that particular account is that we just configured is going to work or not. So I'm using my smartphone to connect to record, because I don't know, I'm not using any virtual machine to test this thing. So first, if you see, I have 3 accounts, 3 ways to log in: my local account, my online account, and the other account. So what I will going to do, I am going to use this thing to connect. At umatech.info. See, and then I am going to type the password. Yes, I'm really sorry, I don't have any other way to hold this phone. I don't have a stand right now, so I'm really sorry. Now let's see if it is going to work or not. Okay, see, it is now welcoming me. My name in the AD was Mohammed Aman, so it is welcoming me. Now it is going to set up my profile for the first time. So you see, hi. It will take normal time and minutes. So let's I will join you again once it is done. So let's start. They are asking me to set up a pin. Let's set it at asking me to pick a verification method, text method, mobile app. So you can use anything, right, what you want to do. So I'm using the phone. Okay, let's me do one thing. Text message: I am from India, proud Indian, and this is let me enter my phone number: 979257295. Click next. Now I'm going to click next. And let me see if it is working. Yay! It is asking me to enter the pin again. Okay, no, first time. I enter the pin. 6 characters long. All set. Just a moment. Now if you see, everything is this is not my standard desktop. It is more like AD.
see normally the man. I have, if you see, so this is my AD account that is logged